Welcome to Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will cover the various assessment management techniques you will need to employ in your online class, including the grading of discussion boards, the use of the Grade Center, and the use of monitoring features such as the performance dashboard and early warning system. The first thing that we will discuss is the grading of discussion boards we explored in the last lesson. When you access your list of discussion boards by clicking on the discussion board button, you will see possibly a grading symbol following specific forums. Clicking on that symbol will bring up a list of users involved in the course and the forum and how many postings they have submitted. Clicking the grade button that follows a particular student's name and posting number will allow you to view only that user's postings. From here, you can submit their grade for that particular forum. And then click Submit. This grade will then appear in your course's Grade Center. To view the Grade Center, we will need to return to the control panel of the Blackboard course. Remember that the control panel link is located in the Tools box below the list of course buttons. Once we have reached the control panel, we see that the link to the course's Grade Center is located in the upper right-hand corner of the Assessment module within the control panel. Within the Grade Center, you can see a list of all the students enrolled in your course, along with a column for every grade and assignment these students have completed or must complete in the future during the course. The grades that we just entered for the discussion board appear in the Week 1 Discussion column. Here is the Week 1 Discussion column with the grades that we just entered. Our next task will be entering a grade manually into the Grade Center, as one would for attendance or participation grades perhaps. This process is completed much as it would be in a spreadsheet document. I'll simply click into the box into which the grade should be entered, type the grade I wish to assign, and then either click Enter, Return, or Tab. Should you wish to modify a grade, once it has been entered, the process is the same. Click into the box where the grade will be located, type the grade you wish to enter, and then click Enter, Return, or Tab. Modified grades are indicated by a small yellow triangle in the upper left-hand corner of the grade cell. Sometimes you may see a green exclamation mark inside a Grade Center cell. This exclamation mark indicates that there is an uploaded assignment or test waiting to be downloaded and graded. To view and grade this item, first click on the downward pointing arrow box that appears when you place your mouse inside the grade cell, and select Grade Details from the pop-up menu. In the Grade Details screen that appears, click the View Attempt button in the Actions column towards the right-hand side of your screen. If the item to be graded is an uploaded document, here you will have the option to download and view the document so that it can be graded. I would do that by clicking on the name of the document located here in the User's Work section. Once you have viewed and determined the grade for the item or test, you can input your grade here where the exclamation mark is located, and you can type any comments you wish in the comments box. Students will be able to see your comments. I'm going to type comments here, but anything that you type in the instructor notes will be for your eyes alone. I'll click Submit, then I'll click OK at the bottom of the screen to return to the Grade Center. Remember that timely grading and feedback of student work is a crucial component of the Bellevue University CyberActive model of learning. As an instructor at Bellevue University, you are also responsible for monitoring your students' attendance and alerting the university to any serious lapses in attendance that may occur. Blackboard makes it very simple to track your students' participation in a course. First of all, you can see that a column titled Last Course Access is located in the Grade Center. There is the last access column. This column gives you the date of each student's most recent course activity. For more detailed information, you can visit what's known as the Performance Dashboard. To view the Performance Dashboard, we'll use the breadcrumb chain towards the top of our screen to return to the Control Panel. See here, I will click on the words Control Panel towards the top of the screen. The Performance Dashboard link is located directly below the Grade Center link in the Assessment module of the Control Panel. Once we're in the Performance Dashboard, we can check lots of statistical information for each student enrolled in our course. We can view their name, their username, their most recent course access, even check individual grades by clicking on the Grade link. This screen can be quite helpful when checking up on the progress of your class. To make it even easier to track students who may be doing poorly or have poor class attendance, we'll look at one last feature, the early warning system. Again, to access this feature, we'll return to the Assessment module within the Control Panel. The early warning system is located directly below the Performance Dashboard in the Assessment module. Here, in the early warning system, we can set up rules that Blackboard will use to alert us as the instructor as to when students fall below a certain academic or attendance criterion. To set up a rule by which you will be notified, click the appropriate Add Rule button. For example, if we want to create an alert as to which students have not participated in the course for 5 or more days, this can be established by clicking the Last Access Rule button. Here, we can name our rule 5 days since access. We can specify the number of days that we would like to record with this rule, so I will type 5. And then click Submit, which will cause the rule to take effect. Now, when we click on the rule in the early warning list, we can see immediately which students have not participated in the class for 5 or more days. We can click the checkbox in front of the students to select which students will be notified via the early warning system, and then click OK so that Blackboard can send out the notifications regarding the student's status. Rules can be created for any sort of cutoff an instructor chooses. By using Blackboard's grading features, Performance Dashboard, and early warning system, an instructor can monitor their class's progress. As an online instructor at Bellevue University, it is your responsibility to make sure the members of your class are participating in active learning. Please use the tools we have explored today, and do not be afraid to ask for help in your online class if you need it. You can find contact information for helpful resources in the Course Information button for this class.